Hello learners, I am Dr. Daman Deep Kaur from the Department of Education at the Bhopal School of Social Sciences. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic, creativity. So, creativity is very important for an entrepreneur. I would like to share about Vaibhav Jaiswal and Amardeep Bardhan, who started their business Prakriti in 2011. And they were very worried about the plastic waste. So they introduced the plates which were made up of areca bamboo leaves. So there was a problem, okay, and still there's a problem when we look around. People are still, using these plastic plates. But there are some people who are thinking of the solution. And I really appreciate the efforts and the creativity of Vaibhav and Amardeep, who really brought solution to this problem. So let's know about the meaning of creativity. It's an ability to generate new and useful ideas. So the idea should be new and it should be of some utility to the audience. It involves innovation, problem solving and opportunity recognition. If there is an opportunity, you should be able to recognize and use it. So let's know about some of the important definitions. According to E. Paul Torrance, creativity is the process of sensing problems, gaps or inconsistencies and forming ideas or hypotheses to address them. According to Teresa Amabile, creativity is the production of ideas that are both novel, that is original, and useful. It means it should be appropriate to the situation. And lastly, according to J.P. Guilford, creativity involves divergent thinking, where multiple solutions are generated for a given problem. So you should think in a different manner. Think of more than one solution for a problem. That is creativity. Okay, let's know about some steps in creativity. I know you also want to become an entrepreneur, but to be an entrepreneur, you should think in a creative manner. So how to think in a creative manner? How are these people different from others? So the first step is identification of a problem. Second is preparation. Third is incubation. Fourth is illumination. And the fifth is verification. And lastly, the last step is implementation. Okay, let's know about all these steps in detail. So first of all, it's very important to identify the problem. We should know what is the problem. Then only we'll be coming up with a solution for it. So the entrepreneur identifies a need. What is the need for the product or a service in the market? Is there any gap in the market? Is there a need to fulfill the gap? Or is there any challenges which the society is facing or the consumers are facing? So it's very important for an entrepreneur to identify need, gap, or challenge. So creativity always begins with curiosity. So it's very important to stay curious, ask questions. Yes, next comes preparation. It involves gathering information, data, and insights. Entrepreneurs focus on researching. They have to conduct the research. They keep observing their environment. And yes, they try to analyze the situation in different parts. So this includes market research, consumer behavior analysis, and understanding industry trends. Next comes incubation. The entrepreneur subconsciously processes information. He already knows everything. But now things are happening in his subconscious mind. Entrepreneurs step back from active problem solving. So in this stage, They allow their minds to form connections and patterns naturally. Next comes illumination. This is the aha moment, or it is also known as eureka, where a creative idea emerges. Yes, a novel solution or idea becomes clear in their mind. Entrepreneurs generate innovative concepts for products, services, or processes. Now it's time to verify your idea. So the next stage is verification. The idea is tested for practicality, profitability, and market feasibility. I would like to tell you, my dear learners, not all creative ideas are implementable. At this stage, maybe some ideas get rejected, and again they have to start identifying the problem, finding the gaps. What went wrong? Next comes implementation. The idea is transformed into action. So it's time to take action. So it involves launching of products or services, or it can be related to establishing a business model. So let's recap quickly. What is creativity? So creativity is an ability to generate new and useful ideas. So stay creative. Thank you, my dear learners.